नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आज आपके साथ इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी के बारे में एक और सब्जेक्ट के साथ आपके साथ ये वीडियो शेयर कर रहा हूँ। जो सब्जेक्ट है रोल ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर इन एक्सीडेंट क्वेश्चन। द पर्पस ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल इज डन बिकॉज ऑफ फॉलोइंग रीजन्स। इट हेल्प्स टू devise method to find out possibility of accident. It helps to find out causes of accident. It helps to find out ways and means to prevent एक्सीडेंट। दोस्तों, आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप कर दीजिएगा और बाजू में दिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि जैसे ही मेरा नया वीडियो अपलोड होगा तो आप तक नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा। फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द एक्सीडेंट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एटीट्यूड, सेकंड इज एप्टीट्यूड, थर्ड वन इज फ्रस्ट्रेशन, फोर्थ वन इज कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, फिफ्थ मॉरल, सिक्स फटीग्यू, 7 बोर्डम, 8 मोनाटोनी। तो दोस्तों, ये 8 फैक्टर्स जो है वो एक्सीडेंट को अफेक्टिंग करते, तो उसको हम लोग थोड़ा आगे और डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एटीट्यूड, इट मीन्स द वे दैट वी थिंक एंड फील अबाउट सर्टेन थिंग्स। इट मीन्स हाउ वी थिंक अबाउट सर्टेन थिंग्स। इट मीन्स predisposition about certain things of people. It is a frame of reference which affect our opinion. Youth is an attitude of mind. It is a kind of mental set. Aptitude, it means interest of ability for fitness for certain skill or action. Worker need proper and positive aptitude towards work and safety. If the workers don't have interest in safety, they may cause an accident. It classifies into 5 categories: mental ability, machine or man related skill, visual skill or deep vision, specialized aptitude or skill and specialized area, साइकोमीटर एबिलिटी यानी कि मस्कुलर एबिलिटीज़। फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इट मीन्स डिफीट, डिसअपॉइंटमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ फेल्योर, इंटरप्शन इन अचीविंग गोल। इट इज़ अ फीलिंग बॉर्न आउट ऑफ कंटिन्यूस फेल्योर। इट मीन्स इनएबिलिटी टू चेंज सिचुएशन इन आवर ऑल वन फेवर। इट अफेक्ट आवर thinking power alternate and thereby causes accident. Conflict, it means opposition or obstruction between two courses one has to pursue at the same time. Conflict can be between two persons, two ideas or two instructions. Conflicting instruction can lead to neglect of one or both by the workers and it may cause an accident. It means violent mental struggle. It reduces productivity and production. Conflict arises because of geology's bad behavior, favoritism, working condition or environment, etc. Moral, it means ethical value and loyalty towards work. It means high value of life and team spirit of a group. It means an extent to which a person feels satisfied with his need that come from his total job situation, job satisfaction. High moral means high safety, high quality, higher output and better health of worker. Fatigue, it means abnormal tiredness. It means reduction in ability to work. It means decrease in the capacity of the workers to the work or loss of his efficiency. It decreases with willingness to work. His interest in work reduces. It is a psychological phenomena. It is measured through ergograph study. Boredom, it is a Psychological feeling like mental dullness. It is created by doing job which does not have a work challenges. It is affect is thinking power and alertness. It creates higher chances of accident. Bored person required change from his routine work environment or routine company of fixed members. Repetition of same type of work for long time. So it is reason for the boredom. Spirit is willing to work but muscle refuse to work. Monotony. It means doing a job repetitively for a long time. It is a mental phenomenon. It is felt during the middle period of work and disappearing anticipation of the end period. दोस्तों please like this video, share, don't forget to subscribe my channel with press a bell icon for regular new video notification. Thank you.